Hey there! Let me spin you a yarn about Azure Virtual Desktop and how you can master the art of juggling user environments and apps within its cloudy embrace. Azure, you know, that colossal tech giant, has this service called AVD that's like a superhero tool for virtual desktops. Imagine giving every computer and phone an indestructible shell and an internet brain that's so fast, your grandma's typing skills are next to her. Now, I'm no wizard, but I've played around with this caped crusader enough times to know a few tricks that'll make your life as an IT pro look just as fantastic. Ready to dive in? Good, let's unravel the wizardry behind AVD. AVD is like a cozy digital playground in Microsoft Azure. You've got your users, the kids on the slide, and in this case, your various virtual desktops, apps, and environments. It's the cloud where everything comes together, from Windows desktops to the myriad of apps that keep those desktops bubbling. Now, you know things just can't be all about the software. We need some good old-fashioned management, right? That's where your journey starts, as Azure, or the friendly neighborhood tech admin, hands you the controller to manage and keep things shipshape. Setting up AVD starts with creating these neatly bundled units called host pools. Think of them as housing complexes, each with a bunch of desktops that could live, sleep, and eat together or apart, whichever you fancy, but all within the secure walls of Microsoft Azure. To make this a smoother ride, you gotta decide, will these be Windows workstations where the magic happens, or will they be Macs waltzing on Windows apps with a side dish of Linux? But here's the kicker, we're not just talking about desktop management, we're also gnawing at the core app environment. Say we need to customize our own apps or set up multiple app experiences in one go. Azure AVD has this charming feature called Remote App. It's like magic, you know, one remote application gets you different apps.